speakers. Same thing, the QSC is the coax, the QSS is the component.
Right? Yeah.
These are really, really unbelievable sounding speakers.
This is kind of a spare no expense, guys. Make one of the best sounding speakers you can, and we let R&D loose.
And this is going to be the QSC 654, which actually uses a natural rubber surround. It's actually got a larger, wider surround than we do on the rest of the coax. This has a coincident mounted source tweeter. It means the tweeter is actually recessed down into the base of the cone, and then it's got that waveguide. The off-axis response on these speakers is absolutely incredible. I mean, you can literally stand 90 degrees to it and still hear almost all of the high frequencies. So especially mounting these in the door, they're awesome for that. If we look at the back of the speaker, it's got a very small magnet. Is that a bad thing, Ken?
Not in that case.
This uses a neodymium, which neodymium is about 20 times more powerful than ferrite.
Why'd we choose to use that in that particular speaker? We got ferrite magnets and all our other stuff. Why neo in that one?
Well, a lot of it is for size.
Exactly.
And once again, it's actually got more power than the ferrite magnets. But by making this magnet very small and narrow on the speaker, if you're going to build a kick panel that's kind of in a wedge, you can tuck that magnet down in the corner of the wedge to reduce that speaker, protrusion into the vehicle.
Right, so it makes it very easy to install, but yet you still got a lot of motor strength there.
But these sound awesome. These are available in a 6.5 and a 6x9 with the coincident source tweeter. And we have the QSS 654s and QSS 674s. That's a 6.5 inch and a 6 3/4 inch.
Look at the mounting tabs or the speaker terminal.
Yeah, well, these basically, there's a passive crossover that comes with these. You have separate mid and tweeter terminals on this.
If you choose to buy amp, makes it very, very easy.
Yep.
So you can see the 4 spade terminals here at the speaker. Makes it real easy. So if you wanted to buy amp, you got that option.
Just typical 0.250 and 187 size terminals. But once again, great sounding speakers. And and we talked about no expense, but these are not that expensive.
No. I meant we didn't spare too much expense making those.
And that's the point I wanted to make, is we spared no expense, but we're not trying to charge the public $2,000 for. I mean, I think they're about $400 a pair or something like that.
Some of our competitors charge some crazy prices, and they actually got about the same amount of cost we have in these.
And I will put these up against their speakers anytime. They're absolutely fantastic.
Over the years, we've done some blind listening tests at the bigger shows.
And surprised a lot of people.
Yep, and surprised, exactly as John said. They're like, holy cow.